Customer listed a CPU, motherboard, and RAM, and we sold them all in less than 3 hours. This is Parts for Cash, PC Sunday, where we share stories galing sa second-hand list namin. Kung Hardware Sugar customer ka, you can send us any component and we will take care of selling it for you. Lahat inaasikaso namin, marketing, pagsagot sa mga inquiry, technical questions about the item, demoing the item kung kailangan, lahat. Items in question were a Ryzen 7 3700X for 3,000 pesos, MSI Mag B550M Mortar Wi-Fi for 2,500, and Corsair Vengeance RAM 2x8 3200MHz CL16 for 1,300. Customer listed all of them with us on June 1, 11 a.m. Everything sold out by June 1, 1:30 p.m. Sold to 2 different buyers. Buyer 1 got the CPU, Buyer 2 got everything else, pero actually gusto niya lahat. Huli lang siya kasi ang lakas ng demand for these parts, and actually pang-apat na siya na inquiry for the motherboard. Ang bilis ng interest for these items.
Walang cut, walang kaltas, walang kita ang Hardware Sugar sa second-hand sales. Every cent goes to the seller.
So masaya lahat. The seller got cash for his own parts, buyers got good parts at good prices, and the shop helped in a little way to make life easier for all parties and reduce e-waste. See you again next week for another PC Sunday.